Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can shape your video into a rounded corner video using masking on CapCut. So just add your video to CapCut, then click on it and find the masking options at the bottom here. Click on mask, select the rectangle. Okay, now adjust the size like this, and then the width also. And to have a rounded corner, you just need to drag this at the edge, the left side of the video. So you just need to adjust it like this. You can see now it has a rounded corner edge like that. Okay, just click on the check icon when you're done, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.